Are you saving up to buy a home and looking for ways to hit your goal even faster? I've got some strategy that can help. If you are not doing this already, start budgeting and tracking your expenses. You need to know exactly what you're spending and where. Then, cut down on any unnecessary purchases so you can put that money towards your home buying funds instead. And I'm talking about things you don't truly need. No matter how small, you'll be surprised how quickly that adds up. And if you want to take it a step further, automate your savings. Have a portion of each paycheck go into your house fund. If you have to set it up manually, you may forget to talk to yourself into spending that money instead. If you want advice from someone who's been coaching people through the home buying process for a while, let's connect. I know what it takes to get you there, and I'm here to help. 909-610-5188. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.